Okay, so this wall was completely this purpley color, and I just went in and half the wall with white, and then wait to see what happens to the rest of it. This is just another shot of that half wall. Ta-da! Now it is two different colors. The bottom half is white, and I refreshed the top with this lighter blue. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about the blue, but I kind of like it now. It's much fresher. Then I went back and added this chair rail from reclaimed wood that I had on the side, and I really like it. I was going to paint the wood the white, but I went ahead and left it just bare wood, and I'm really glad I did. It's a very high chair rail, but I did it on purpose, and you'll see in another video why I did that. And this is just a synopsis of the 3 stages, basically. There was really 4, but you didn't see the first one because I didn't take a picture of it. Of the whole wall being just that weird two-toned purpley color. It was actually two paint colors. You can't really tell from the photo, but it really was 2 paint colors, and I did that several years ago. And I lived with it, and it had a shelf on it, and then it had a really high mirror and stuff, and I took all that down and I patched it, and so now it's just this you know, two-toned with the chair rail, and I like it a lot better. Okay, thanks so much for watching, subscribing, and share with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And we're trying to get to 500 subscribers. Don't forget. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.